While it's charging, a green light means it's fully juiced up, and a red light means it's still charging. How to install your wall light. Damage-free nail. This wall light is super easy to install, because it only leaves a tiny hole as small as a staple. Hang up the wall light. Installation done. Use this damage-free nail to hang your wireless infrared sensor easily. Pair the wireless infrared sensor with the January 4th, 20 UNC hole base accessory. Attach it to a magic arm, and you can mount it pretty much anywhere you want. Clamp type magic arm accessory, multi-angle rotation demonstration. The wall light activates automatically when infrared sensor detects moving objects. Wireless infrared sensor, install it almost anywhere you want. Large clamp type, magic arm accessory. Multi-scenario application. Multi-angle rotation demo. Clamp magic arm accessory. Multi-scenario application. Multi-angle rotation demo. Stick-on wireless infrared sensor pendant. Installation tutorial. Peel and stick to the wall. Undo 2 fixing buckles. Attach base accessory. Refit buckles. Install it on the wireless infrared sensor with magnetic accessories. Peel magnetic accessories adhesive backing. Stick to wireless IR sensor bottom. Peel non-magnetic iron plates adhesive backing. Stick to magic arm head. Suction cup magic arm accessory. Magnetic magic arm accessory. Wireless infrared sensor. Stick anywhere you want.